Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Zoom on your Android phone without the need to download the Zoom app. Whether you're on a tight storage budget or prefer not to install extra apps, this method is quick and easy. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Google Chrome or your preferred browser. The first thing you need to do is open your mobile browser. We recommend using Google Chrome for the best experience, but other browsers like Firefox or Opera will work as well. Step 2. Go to the Zoom website. In your browser's address bar, type in the Zoom website URL, https://zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to join a meeting or sign in to your account. Step 3. Join a meeting. To join an existing meeting, simply tap on the Join a Meeting button. You'll be asked to enter the meeting ID and password, which you should have received from the meeting host. Step 4. Enable permissions. If this is your first time using Zoom on the browser, you may be prompted to allow permissions for the microphone and camera. Be sure to grant these permissions so you can fully participate in the meeting. Step 5. Access Zoom through the browser. Once you've entered the meeting ID and any required passcodes, your browser will ask if you want to open Zoom in the app. Since we're avoiding the app, simply choose the option to continue using the browser. Step 6. Participate in the meeting. After loading, you'll be able to see the meeting screen. You can turn on your video, mute or unmute your microphone, chat, and participate in the meeting just as you would if you were using the Zoom app. All features will work directly through the browser interface. Step 7. End the meeting. When your meeting is finished, simply tap the Leave button in the corner of your screen to exit. That's it. You've successfully used Zoom on your Android phone without downloading the app. This method is perfect for those who want to avoid extra apps or have limited storage on their devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.